In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your very own online store using Wix. Having your store online means you can reach more customers, showcase your products beautifully, and manage everything all in one place. Now let's dive right into the process. Firstly, if you're logged into your Wix account and are on your dashboard, you'll want to find the Add Apps section. Look around for the Store app. This app is essentially the backbone of your e-commerce site on Wix. Once you find it, go ahead and add it to your site. This will introduce several powerful features that help with managing your products, inventory, and more. With the Store app added, it's time to start populating your store with products. This is a crucial step as it's where you present what you have to offer. Take a moment to think about how you want to categorize your products, set descriptions, and add images. These are things that can significantly impact your customer's experience. When you click on Add Products, you'll have the opportunity to provide detailed information about each product, such as price, descriptions, images, and even customized options if needed. Try to use high-quality images and clear, concise descriptions to enhance your store's appeal. Now that your products are up, the next step is setting up payments and shipping. This is where you'll configure the ways customers can pay for their items. Wix offers integration with various payment gateways such as PayPal, Stripe, and others. Choose the ones that make sense for your business and your customers. Make sure you test these methods to ensure they work smoothly. As for the shipping part, you need to define how your products will get to your customers. This involves setting shipping rates and selecting the regions where you are ready to ship your products. With Wix, you have the flexibility to offer flat rates, free shipping, or even set up a weight-based structure. Make sure you are transparent with your customers about shipping times and costs to maintain trust. Finally, once everything looks good and you've reviewed all your store settings, it's time to publish your site. This is the exciting part where you bring your store live, making it available to all potential customers. Remember to preview your site before hitting publish. Check how it looks on different devices, especially on mobile, because a large number of shoppers access online stores this way. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and works, click on that publish button, and just like that, your store is ready for business. Congratulations on setting up your store on Wix. Now you just need to keep track of your inventory, engage with your customers, and make continuous improvements to your site. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in getting your e-commerce journey started.